Are you ticklish? Are you ticklish, Drew? What? 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 What are you trying to say? What are you I can't hear you. You're talking with your hand in your mouth. Oh, we're sitting up now? Why are you eating my hand? Why are you eating my hand? Huh? Is that yummy to you? You're eating my hand. Do you want food? Do you want me to get you some real food instead of my hand? I promise you it'll taste better. Does that sound good? You're silly. You're silly. Silly Willy. Silly Willy. Silly Willy. Give me my hand. Give me my hand. Give it. Give it back. Give it back. Give it back. Give me my hand. Here. Give me my hand. You think you're funny. What? What? Okay. I love you. Oh no! Sit up. Oh no! Love you. What? What is? Are you getting? Uh-oh, you have hiccups, don't you? Are you getting hiccups? Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Yep. Oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Hiccups. Hiccups. Oh no! Quick, hold your breath. Hold your breath. Hold it for a minute. Hold your breath for a minute. Oh no, no, no. Whoa. Okay, give Mom a kiss. Love you.